Tired of seeing those Teachable earnings just sit there? Let's get that money into your hands. First, log into your Teachable account and navigate to the Settings section, usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage crucial options for your school, including payment. Next, click on the Payments tab. This is the key to connecting your Teachable account to a payment gateway. You will see two primary options. Stripe and PayPal. Stripe is generally preferred for its robust features and ease of integration for credit card processing. PayPal is great for those who prefer or require it. Select the payment method best suited for your needs. If choosing Stripe, click on the Connect with Stripe button. This will redirect you to Stripe's secure website to log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The process is similar for PayPal. Simply click Connect with PayPal, enter your email address, and follow the steps on their screen to connect PayPal with Teachable. Now, understand your payout schedule. Teachable typically has a payout delay to account for potential refunds, usually around 30 days, but it might vary. Keep an eye on your connected bank account. Once the processing period has passed, your earnings will be deposited directly into your connected account. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your Teachable earnings. Now you can enjoy that hard-earned income.